everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reads and Things. We're going to make it could be a fall grapevine wreath, or it could be an everyday grapevine wreath. It's up to you. But we're going to make a grapevine wreath. And we're going to use some sunflowers and some denim ribbon. And here's our sign. It's a cross with believe and a sunflower in the center. And I'm waiting for my glue gun to heat up. Hey, Dawn. Cut a few of these. I'm gonna need a few. That one came off. Hey, Eva. What's everybody up to this evening? Dang, that came off and I don't want to go back on that one. Or that one. Hey, Elizabeth. I got some interesting news. Looks like Thad may be coming home a day early. Ooh, spooky. I'm scared, Dawn. I'm waiting for my glue gun to heat up. Taking forever. Yeah, it's really hot. A lot of people's getting rain, but boy, we're not getting rain. We were supposed to get rain yesterday, and we were supposed to get rain today, and that didn't happen. Just didn't happen. Yeah, I had an interesting afternoon. I went to do a YouTube video. Went out to get the grapevine wreath, this one included, and I heard something go crash. My entire pantry, every shelf hit the ground with everything I had on the shelves on the floor of the pantry. So it made for an interesting afternoon. Yeah, take care of yourself, Eva. I couldn't even imagine having somebody do that to my eye. Okay, I'm gonna build backwards. So I had the sunflower there, so I'm gonna do the hydrangea here. And then put the sunflower up here. Then I'm gonna add this one right in the center. Then I got some little, I don't know, wildflowers maybe. Yeah, I love the sunflowers. To me, they can be used all year if you wanted to. And that's, to me, that's the fun part of the sunflowers. And if you want this, and a lot of people decorate their kitchens with sunflowers, so they could have this in their kitchen all the time. Okay, now this is the bottom. That's the bottom. That's the bottom of my wreath. Like that. And then I'm gonna flip it over, and we're gonna work from the top. Start this one with the hydrangea. I'm going to put this one in the center. I'm going to follow suit just like the bottom. And then one side I'll start off with a blue flower. would be, when I put this together, I thought, was that going to work? And then the more I looked at it, the more I went, ooh, I really like that together. And it's something a little different. And the wreath I did on my YouTube video that's coming up the 11th, it is a different, the cut is different too. It's not my normal. It's black and white buffalo plaid and leopard wreath together, which is a little different too. Since I did the Halloween collaboration, I've been trying to think a little bit outside the box on some of my designs. I did a apple crisp, and this week I might be making cabbage rolls, because I got a bunch of cabbage in my garden. So it may be a cabbage roll kind of week. Just maybe a cabbage roll kind of week. And I'm thinking about doing a freezer meal for a video soon. I have to do some painting on a video soon. Going to be painting some witches boots and some ghosts on a video. I have so many videos coming up, it's like, ah. And then Thad calls me and tells me he's coming home early. Like, I got videos to do. I did 2 already today. One's already being uploaded to YouTube. And of course, this is my second. Okay, guys. Yeah, I love cabbage rolls too, and the nice thing is they freeze really well, and it's something I can send to work with that, because he likes them too. The hardest part on a cabbage roll, which you know, you ladies know, is to get the stupid cabbage where it comes off in whole sections. That's the hardest part. I have to staple my sign, but this is my country sunflower denim wreath. Yeah, it actually, YouTube's not as bad as it used to be. They redid their YouTube studio, so it doesn't take as long to upload it anymore. I gotta get my staple gun. I don't know. I may have to go buy me a new staple gun. My staple gun, I think, said goodbye. It died, I think. Felt like my pantry that collapsed today. Well, what do you think? It's not my normal wreath, but I think it's pretty. And it's something I know I would put on my door. I love the denim, and it's not it doesn't scream fall, but it would be beautiful on a fall door. For somebody that wants a country or farmhouse theme for fall, but doesn't want the pumpkins and all that stuff, this would be a perfect wreath. Because, you know, there's some of us that it gets tired of the same old pumpkin wreath. So this is my different one. Oh, my whole pantry, all the shelves in my pantry dropped onto the bottom. So I was going to do 3 videos today. My pantry said I needed to pick it all up and get it ready for Thad to fix it, so didn't get accomplished today what I had planned. But that's okay. Life happens. Sometimes you end up with other plans. Make the witch in the back. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I don't know what I'm going to do with her, but I found her and I loved her. But I haven't decided what to do with her. My witch in the back. Haven't decided what to do with her. I could probably just put a bow. I thought I'd just put a bow over here. And that would be basically what I'd do to her, but I haven't done that yet. Have a good evening. Thanks for joining me. And please sprinkle and pass my video on to your friends. It helps me get my business out there. And thank you for your support. And keep on crafting. Love you guys. Bye.